I wanna take you away. She knows I dance for Buki for stage.
Oh, really? Oh.
Hustle. I thought we do. Anyway, yeah, the only show you say God they carry person from place to place.
You have to start from somewhere.
Progress, that be the most important thing. As
somewhere.
long as you make progress for your life, now the most important thing be that. Imagine say I did where I still did some 7 years back. I still did that same position.
Or get Mohawk.
No. By now you don't change. You know when the family they force you say, "Oh God," that's how your people will talk for you anyhow. They don't know when they talk to you anyhow. But anyhow talk don't enter. So you must make progress no matter what. Just move forward from life. Try move forward. You understand? A new year. Now new year. So any which way, but Buki, where Buki day? Anybody we know where Buki day, I bet Muna holla at us, okay? At W Late Night Show or personally at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter. All right, so right now, we're not carry our bros enter the building. Now new year, and we see where the talk will start from. You know, say we talk plenty last year. Plenty, and so many people, God bless many people through this particular Ginger Monday show would always do. All right, so we're not carry our bros come inside the show. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, make una help me welcome Oga Dapo Banjo, as we know as the band in the building. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. So now on top of the show, now the first time we talk about that. Happy New Year, sir. Happy New Year. Last year, like I talked just now, many people they always talk. In fact, one guy see me for one event, December. He say, if you just organize that on a Monday, this thing, like seminar. Maybe people just come sit down, come here. I say, bros, no worry, now New Year they enter, so we go still see how we take do many things, and God go fit help us take, you know.
Amen.
But because the most important thing we most people need right now, the right kind of information what they will feel run with. Because not everybody they get them, you know. There was you get one particular time where seminars always day.
Yes.
There was a year. You get one period.
Most seminars now we go impact people's life. They don't commercialize the thing. Unlike before, now free. People go just come.
Yes.
Now, because they know say they bless people they benefit from them. In fact, some way they well organized. If you give them, if you make a certificate available after the seminar, you they use them now as part of your CV. They don't train me how to manage people, like on people management or time management and some of those things. So because they don't have money now, that's why people know they do.
And I get one of those kind of palio. I get that customer services. You get one I go one time. That was almost like a month. Now I do all that one. After everything, they give me my palette. I tell like, hey. So as I do customer service, nobody else they call you say, hello, my name is Ogbolo. Can I help you? Nobody else also. If you frustrate them, they will shout for your head. All right, sir. So at the beginning of the year be this. And just say, okay, may you just come follow people talk. You know, how na New Year be this. No say we don't talk plenty thing last year. Yes, but like I talk, when I open the show today, I say, okay, may just assume say we don't talk anything last year. We need to also talk about those things again this year. But now, from starting point now, as we don't start the year to start the year now, as the Sabi bros we decide the studio with us, now the year don't begin. What thing go be those things where feel say people now suppose they think for their head now on how to make this year the best for them. More even because some people now they're full church now. Prayer, everything. Last people no go see do anything. Middle of the year they will see the prayer, that say prayer they start the year. You understand? By middle of the year you supposed to leave some kind of prayer.
Yes.
Because something supposed to happen.
Yes.
Your prayer supposed fresh for new things to achieve before the year ends.
Segments.
You know, not be saying the same prayer point for January, December. Oh Lord, financial. It will like financial. All right, so sir. So we'll hear from you.
Good evening, all of you, and Happy New Year.
Yes,
again,
sir. Sir.
Now, at the beginning of everything we good for life, the first thing we dey very important are foundation. You want a very solid building we go last for a very long time. Where wind go blow, earthquake go come, everything go come, but it still go go dey. Na good foundation.
Okay.
Go make am be like that.
Okay.
You wan start business wey you fit call Ogbolo and Sons. That means you go find out say and Sons means your direct son.
Yeah.
Then another son where your son give birth to, and then another son where that one go give birth to into generations as the Lord tarries in His coming. So you suppose lay a very good foundation for that kind of business too. And that applies to human lives too. You need to lay a very good foundation. Anybody will go succeed for 2016. This is the time to lay foundation.
Okay.
You have to first come to yourself, come tell yourself, say, waiting be the thing where I want achieve for 2016.
Okay.
Now, one thing where a lot of people don't realize when we talk about New Year resolution. I don't like New Year resolution. I don't like the word resolution.
Okay.
The word resolution, they come out from the word resolute.
Okay.
Now, when you are talking about resolution, it means say you think about waiting you suppose do last year where you promise say you suppose do where you no do. You can't dey promise yourself say you go do am this new year.
Okay.
Person will say, okay, I go stop to the smoke for 2015. The person no can't stop. But in the smoke like 2 pack before, it can't reduce am to 10 stick. You can't say, okay, my New Year resolution be say, I go stop am finally for 2016. Now, the thing be say, for everything we go good for life, foundation matter. And so if there's anything where we want to tell people today, now how to lay a good foundation for your new year.
Okay, okay.
Which is very important.
Very, very important.
On top of all the things where we talked last year, we did very, very casual.
Yes.
Things where they important, we go make somebody, know say life is about being dynamic. You cannot fit to remain for one position. How do you add values to yourself? If you know 1, 2, 3 things in 2015, will be new things. What are the new things where you want to learn for 2016? How much value do you want to ask? You want to add to yourself for 2016? What do you want to do better? What are the things where you want to do better for 2016? What new thing you want to start to they do where they do before? Where you want to start to they do for 2015? If I use you now, Ogbi, as a good example of somebody who is supposed to do something, as I know you, if to say you just come meet me now for consultation, say, Oga, as you know me well, what are the things where you think, say, as I feel improve? Sure, you understand? For 2015, 2016, we go make the things where they do. We go make her, make sense pass as it be before. Number one thing be say, like I don't talk foundation.
True.
Now, waiting suppose the foundation. See, a normal foundation where you want, let's say a building, for instance, let's say, or business, whichever one, but make we use building as an example. To lay a good foundation for a building, you need iron, you need cement, you need water, you need sand, you need maybe you don't need sand for foundation really, but you go need them depending on the type of soil where you want to lay the foundation.
Gravel
because if to say na waterlogged area now, you go need plenty granite.
Yes.
You go need plenty this red sand. What will they call them again?
Mud, the red sand.
No, we get one. No, get I go remember Charles when they talk.
But na building term.
So the thing be say you go need that one. Make it with they call am the popular name for people where they sell sand. They call am filling. Now you go buy that one, buy, put until that land reach one level. Now when you don't reach that level, you go now do waiting with they call ramming. You go rammer the thing. After ramming, you go come do some other things. If now ordinary land, plain land where you feel build immediately, you go need to set your block. You go need to buy cement. You go need to call iron bender. They go come bear iron for that place. They go do all of those. You go need plenty water. You go need workers, people. So if you look at this thing, at element by element, where you they look at now, element by element, you go need cement. Cement, what thing they do? If they make all the block or everything where you want put, it goes cement them together. Stone go there, sand go there, this one go there, everything go there. So if you look at all those elements, you go find out say you suppose consider as an individual, can't think. wetin be my cement for 2016? Wetin go represent my sand for 2016? Wetin go represent my iron for 2016? And you know, say all of these things, if you put down for side, they no go fit do anything by themselves. You need iron bender.
True.
You go need carpenter.
True.
You go need bricklayer. You go need mason. You go need all of these people. In fact, sometimes you need engineer. We go do that side, we go coordinate all these people on how to do. This is the kind of foundation we want to do. Now, the amount of sand per cement be this, now the amount of stone per cement be this, so you go calculate everything. Now, the thing we would call foundation be that. Now you be say, you go sit down. Somebody we want build must first of all count the cost.
True.
What is the cost of your development for 2016? It matter. You have to sit down, count the cost. Okay, what thing I want to do? For instance, if now Ogbolo won't step up the late night show. Okay, waiting I suppose do. Okay, I they do Ginger Monday for every Mondays. Then Tuesday I they do this one. Wednesday I they do that one. Waiting I feel do different to repackage this show where people go come accept time. We go be the best show for television where everybody and nobody won't miss them. Everybody just won't watch them. You go come see, say, okay, make I improve on this one, make I improve on that one, make I improve on that one, make I improve on that one. You go come look at the content of your show. Come think, say, okay, now the thing where people they want be this. Now the things where people they want be this. Okay, I go do this thing. Another way to look at, they say, which kind of audience you want aim.
Yeah.
Because this show supposed determine that this year.
Yes.
You go come find out, say, Monday to Friday where they do your show. Monday, maybe not for everybody because now ginger, everybody need that ginger.
True.
Maybe Tuesday, you go focus on youth. So everybody will know, say, Ogbolo on Tuesday. Now wish he won't talk to, you must watch that show. On Wednesday, maybe now women you won't focus on. On Thursday, maybe people where they do business. On Friday, maybe people where they do another thing entirely. People won't build on their career or something. Maybe na career talk. You go just bring. Maybe you go invite doctor. Maybe you go and talk to people for. So you go just know, say, all these things, it they matter.
Yes.
Before one feel make progress.
Yes.
So 2016, now will be like 11th of January. The year just they start. For Christian now, you know what thing they do? Then they fast and then they pray.
Yes.
Now foundation where will they talk with that? Some other people, the thing will be, but you go see a lot of people out there now. They want to start to they make money. They start to they make money.
Yeah. From the beginning.
Without laying the right foundation.
I want blow January.
Make I start early this year because it be like saying that because I late.
Yeah.
I start to they make money around August. Make I start early this year. See. It's enough to go build a house. The beauty of a house is not after when you don't paint time, you don't do the roofing, you don't do everything. Where small shake go gather, it go just crash. That's why you see, say, people will make money early in the year. By the end of the year, they don't suffer again. Now because they no make good foundation. The money where you want make this year, you suppose decide which part are they safe? If now 100,000 I want to make every month, you must decide now, lay a good foundation. I must save 25,000 or 20,000 every month. Whether the devil like him or not, I must save him, and nothing go stop me. This is a month where it's a month of choices, where you supposed to take decision. And they say, we discussed decision making last year very well.
Yes.
Now decision making time be this, where you supposed to sit down and they think, what thing I go do with money this year? How much money I want save? What thing I want save money do? Sure, you understand? A lot of people will want marry this year now. This is the time to start.
True.
If you get sister where you or babe where you go out with now, you go come sit down. When we want to do May. How much money we need? We need 1.5 million. How we go save? Reach that amount of money so that we no go beg people for we need. Say everything done. Somebody come and say bros, everything done ready now. We don't ready. That day where everything done ready. But the only thing where we need be say we won't get more canopies. I say you know ready.
You
never ready now. Something see there now where you never do. So but a good planner.
Yes.
this is a time,
now this time
to deploy exactly. This is a time. How much time you need to do the things where you want to do? How much money you go need to do the thing where you want to do? Where you want to do the thing? Who you go need to be able to do the thing? So you understand?
Yes.
All of these things, this is the time to begin to write. And they tell people, especially for church and people where they talk to around, and they tell them, the month of January is the month of biro and paper.
All right. Mo just hold on for that place now. Now the month of biro and paper. Now the month with this. Right. Right. Think on paper. Okay, when they come back now, after this particular small break, we'll continue with the rest of the gist. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.